Historically, when you have something like this, like the COVID going on, people are looking to be retrained. Once you learn a trade, it sticks with you for the rest of your life. Hi, I'm Roger Damron. I'm the Director of Education for Tidewater Tech. I ran my own construction company for about 20 years. So I actually came down here and took a teaching job at Tidewater Tech. From there, I've just kind of worked myself up through the ranks. You really do care about the students. It's not a typical college environment. I've been in that environment where you kind of look out for yourself. Not that way here. It's the complete opposite of that. I mean, anybody who's having any problems, we work with them. All the staff, all the instructors will do anything to make sure those students succeed. And generally in trades, you climb up the ladder pretty quick. It's all skill level based, and the skills you learn here in the labs, you're already good to go when you get out in the field anyway. So. We have invested heavily in equipment. Our lab is state-of-the-industry equipped. And it is the premier welding lab on the East Coast. We are definitely one of the largest in the area. It's top-notch when you go in there. It's a really nice welding lab. Aesthetically, it looks amazing. For the automotive program, we have ASC certifications. Same thing with the welding program. The AWS certifications, HVAC, same way with EPA certifications. The OSHA certifications we offer, OSHA Maritime, which has to be taken in the classroom. And that's just something when somebody hires you, they don't have to spend 10 hours training you. So we have career services to help students get placed. A lot of our PAC members hire our students. We're always talking to people in the community. It's not a day that doesn't go by that I don't have a company call asking for students. Although there's been downturns in the economy, there is always jobs here. It's never stopped hiring. There's jobs out there for our students in the trades, and it's always like that in the trades. This is a place where I love to come to work every day. I'd never wake up and go like, oh, I don't want to go in there today. It just doesn't happen for me here. We're here because we like working with students. I've got a trades background, and that's what I try to do every day is let the students know what you can do here. I mean, where this can take you. I've been very fortunate in my career. Trades have made me a lot of money, and I want them to see that they can do that too.